I know a lot of people use the export to Excel and import to Excel, but having it possible within the application is saves a lot more time.
It does, yeah, and you know, there may be a case where you do have to export something out to Excel and push it back in again, or maybe you're giving it to somebody who's not a Revit user on the team to maybe, let's say, fill in your room finishes, and you can pick your schedule that you want to export, and you make sure that you use the format for re-importing, so that when you bring it back in, it does update everything. And then when you go to import, then you pick your file. But there are a couple of settings there, so you have to make sure that you use that format for re-importing.